Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's an issue with your payment method, updating payment information in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add your payment method to Apple ID, but you're facing this kind of issue again and again, that there is an issue with your payment method. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to go back and open your settings app and just make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to connect with a different network connection. Then go to your settings app or go to general, go to VPN and device management, and here just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here, go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Again, go back and go to date and time, enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating your software, just go back and here open your app store, or you can try one more thing to prevent any kind of issue. Just go back and open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, that will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network settings, just go back and open your app store. Just tap on the profile icon at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And here you can easily add your payment method by tapping on this manage payments option. But I recommend you have to try to use this here, just tap on country or region. And here you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So I have selected this one, so I'm gonna reselect this from here. Then tap on this continue option. Then tap on agree at the top right. Now on this screen, you have to add your payment method. Just add your payment method here. Then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option at the top right. But you have to check, or you have to keep in mind that you are entering the correct payment method, your correct credit card or debit card. If it's your credit debit card, so you have to check for the expiry. So if your credit card or your debit card has been expired, so try to get a new one, or you can also try to contact with your card insurer to confirm if they support Apple Pay. So once you have done all of this, just enter your credit card here, or you can also try to use this camera option to scan your credit card. So once you have done, just tap on this done option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. If you face any kind of issue, so you can try to contact with Apple support team to prevent issue or to get official help. Just simply open your Apple Support app. You find it in your phone, or you can easily install this app from your app store. You can also use Apple Support web. Select the iPhone from here. Tap on the subscriptions and purchases. Then tap on update payment method. And here just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to send it down this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.